President ka United Democratic Party UDP ubak met ba lingdo ula Pynpaw ka jingkyrmen ba ka party kan la pen lebha bat yo ka jingjop haka election Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC ka Banlong House number 1 habakren shakilat patai kubor ha ka laiterik nai wing ubak met ba ula ong ba ka party ka lathung ya ka committee ka ban khmi ha ka ban pen khlan ya ka party hari lom Garo Bat banwat iki kertong ki badan jingkyrmen nakabenta kan iki election ke banwan halai ki jong ki constituency. Habakali la ka jingdan jong ke Congress kan bu jingma ne AM ya ka UDP hari lum Garo uba met ba uloong ngam tharai namar ke politics ka de ke politics bat ngam yo i satya ya ka no kuno jingta haba phai sha ka UDP. Kumba kalong menta ka UDP ka don uwe UMDC na ka ni kathan bat uba met ba ula banjor ya ka jingkong san jong kinomi khmat pat ba nakabenta ban ai ka jingshakri ya ki constituency.
No, we have started the exercise already. I have shared with you maybe 3 months back that we had a review as far as the party is concerned with regards to the Garo Hills region, and we have already constituted a body where it is about to look after the entire welfare of the party in the entire Garo Hills region. So we have entrusted that group to identify and the people or the candidates who are interested and who are there in respective constituencies for the upcoming GHADC elections. No, I don't think. I don't think so. I don't think so. But let's see, politics is politics, so can't say about it. But I don't see that it will have any negative impact as far as UDP is concerned. No, because you see, as of now, we do have one MDC who is from UDP there. As far as party is concerned, it will be very difficult to do any kind of activities as far as that constituency, particular constituency or that particular area. Until unless you have the elected member, then you can see the difference between the constituency where the elected and the non-electeds are there from any political party. It always have that kind of impact when it comes to elected or non-elected members. No. I'm not aware of anything as far as that regional group initiative taken by some leaders. In the first place, I'm not aware of anything about it. But let's see. We are always open for anything when it comes to the welfare of the people of the state. Especially we being the regional party, we have to look, particularly the welfare of the indigenous people of the state, whoever it is, Khasi, Jaintia, and Gao.